My biggest dream in music is to open my very own piano school with a state-of-the-art piano lab of my own. My name is Amberlee Abbott. I have a bachelor's degree in piano performance, and now I'm working on my master's degree in piano performance. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give BYU's music program a 10. The faculty here in the piano department at BYU are very knowledgeable, but they're also very supportive. I first learned about Piano Marvel here at BYU because we use it in our group piano courses, and I was instantly fascinated by it and its ability to help me as a pianist at that time get better at my sight reading. I got obsessed with the sight reading test and had a lot of fun completing that. For about a year I did it every day and it really helped me. If I was at a piano on the Titanic and could only play one song, I would play Nocturne by Eric Christian. He's a living composer who I really like. My first impressions of Piano Marvel was that there was really no need for it. Once I used its features though, I saw how time-saving it could be as a teacher and how much more engaging it was. Piano Marvel has solved the problem of trying to provide a lot of repertoire for my students. It has so many resources on there that can help you scaffold the way that you teach. It works really well in a group setting. If you are a composer like me and want your students to learn stuff that you've written, you can even input your own songs and curriculum on there. When you're teaching piano in a classroom setting, you never know how their age or skill level is going to match up. So it's important that you have a tool to adapt to their ability, and Piano Marvel does that really well. For example, I can set everyone to practice their sight reading, and they can all start at the level that suits them best.